Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Bath and Body Works haul. How are you guys doing in the end of the month of December, heading into January? Do you guys have a New Year's resolution set up? As of yet, for me right now, I don't have anything listed. I am working on figuring out my agenda or plan or goal for 2019, which would be something very simple, nothing really major. And let me know down below, what are you guys planning to do for 2019? I'm going to open this box up. All of my boxes came in late, plus I've been recording extremely late, so I know everybody's already done their major hauls and stuff. I think I've ordered 3 different times. And I filmed this hand soap recently. And now this is all a haul on the plugins, the wallflowers. Oh, they smell. One of them smells really good. But I'm gonna show you the ones that I have because yeah, I have one more order coming in, which is the candles, and then I'll be done. So I'll go over the ones that I have, and then I'll put them away. This wallflower is called 1,000 Wishes, and it just smells very tropically, and it smells really, really nice. I've never had this in the past, so I'm really excited to try this one. I also got Sweater Weather, which I had the candle before a few years back, and it's amazing. And I think I did haul the new one for this year as well, because it was one of my favorites. Also got Ocean Blue Wave. I got 24 Gold. 24 Gold, which smells really good. Also got another Winter Woods. That smells good too. I'm gonna plug that downstairs right now. Also got First Frost. Alright, and I got Winter. You can smell the cinnamon in this one. Oh, wow. This is probably the first time I actually hauled holiday types of wallflowers. So I'm really excited. This is Harvest Gathering. It smells like autumn, by the way. And this smells amazing. This is gonna... I'm plugging that one first. Okay, to the side. I have Black Tie. That smells good too. Ooh. That smells amazing. First Sparkling Snow. Oh, isn't that pretty? Isn't that a pretty blue? And the final one will be Flannel. They're all starting to smell the same. Smelling them all. I'm happy to get them. They're not broken or leaking or anything. I'm excited to plug in a whole bunch of them. Well, just 2. Because I have to, excuse me, I have to maximize having them for a longer longevity. Hopefully it'll last all the way until next year when they do their sales again. So that was my little tiny haul. I hope you guys, my final one will be the candle, and that one is still on its way. Hopefully it comes in, you know, secured and not damaged. And that is my Bath and Body Works haul, you guys. It was something nice and simple. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.